Hey guys, welcome back to another video of testing a facial kit at home. The one we are reviewing today is from the brand Aroma Magic by Blossom Kochhar, and this one is their Pearl Facial Kit meant for oily and acne prone skin, which is perfect for my skin. So if you want to know my take on this product, how good this product is, then please keep watching. So before starting with the facial step, I would like to talk about the packaging. As you guys can see, the box looks like a pearl. The illusion of the pearl has been given in terms of color as well as the finish. It is meant for oily and acne prone skin. As said before, it claims that it will treat and relieves acne, detoxifies and lighten blemishes. Now the kit has 7 steps, that is cleanser, serum, gel, glow gel, oxygenating gel, face pack and sunscreen. The price of this one is 190 rupees. However, I got the product from Beauty Palace, so I paid 161 rupees only. So without further ado, let's just start with the facial steps. The box also contains a leaflet in which every ingredient as well as the steps are mentioned with an illustration for easy understanding. It is mentioned in English as well as Hindi language. Step 1 is cleanser, and it states that it cures acne with neem extracts and maintain oil balance with rose extract, lightens scars, blemishes and improves skin tone. As you guys can see that we are done with the step 1, which was cleanser. It was not at all a cleanser, it was a face wash. So in order to remove it, I would recommend you to wash your face rather than using a damp cotton / cloth or a sponge. Now let me tell you one thing, after using it I can feel that my skin feels a lot dry, and it has actually removed the dirt but then resulting in a dry skin. So let's just head towards the step number 2. Step 2 is skin serum, and it states that it is meant to minimize scars, acne scars, fine lines and wrinkles, removes dead cells and blackheads. Without cleaning the skin serum, you have to apply the exfoliating gel. Step 3 is Exfol gel. It eliminates dead surface cells, blackheads and fine lines, uncovering smoother and softer skin. So after the application of exfoliating gel, I'll leave it up for 10 minutes and then I'll rub it off with my dry fingers and clean it up with a damp cotton cloth. As you guys can see that my skin looks a lot more glowy. That's because all the dead cell is gone. So if you have an issue, this product will really work amazingly. At the same time, it does not dry your skin. That is a yay for me. Now let's just head towards the step number 4. Step 4 is Pearl Glow Gel. It helps to detoxify, deep cleanse, cool and give a glow to skin. Without cleaning the glow gel, I'll apply the step number 5, that is oxygenating gel. Now let me tell you one thing. In glow gel, they have asked you to apply to give a high frequency. I don't have that machine. That's the reason what I did was I applied the gel and let it get settled. Now what I'll do is that I'll apply oxygenating gel and I'll massage my face for 7 to 8 minutes. Step 5 is oxygenating gel. It helps to oxygenate the skin to keep skin cells flexible and regenerated. So I'm done with the step number 5 and I have just cleansed my face with a damp sponge. As you guys can see that my skin is already glowing, which I'm really happy about, and apart from that my skin is very sensitive. It didn't react to any of the sachet yet. That is yay for me. Step 6 is face pack. Deep cleanses the pores, tightens and revitalizes the skin, activates circulation, giving the skin a youthful and vibrant skin. Step 7 and the final step is sunscreen. It provides full protection against UVA and UVB sun rays, which helps in prevention of aging and tanning. I'm here for the final verdict, did I like the kit? I simply loved it. I loved everything about the kit. I love the packaging, I love the color, I love the price, I love the result, everything. The only thing which I didn't like about the product was the skin serum, because it is a hassle to break it. Trust me, it's a hassle to break it. That's the only thing. Apart from that, everything is great about this product, especially if you want to do facial at home. It's so economical, at the same time delivers the result, as you guys can see. One more thing which was very prominent in this packet was all the products were gel based. That is great for acne and oily skin, which I absolutely love, because gel based products works great on acne and oily skin. So I would definitely recommend this product to acne and oily skin people. You have to go check out this product and apply, and share your experience with me in the comments down below. Definitely yes from my end. That's it for the video. If you like the concept of me testing out new facial kits, then do thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links will be in the description box, and let me know if you have any request. I would be glad to shoot that video. And at the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty and stay glowing.